In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a contact form in WordPress. This video will guide you and explain everything that you need to do step by step. So first, go ahead and go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're here, go ahead and go to plugins, hover over it and then go add new plugin. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install a Contact Us plugin. So type here contact form. And once you've typed in contact form, you'll then be able to install one of these plugins. Now, there are many different plugins that people use. I'm going to show you how to use this one here, WP Forms. So click install now. And once you've installed it, don't forget to activate it onto your website. So click activate and it will then install that plugin. So once you install it, it will take you to your plugin section straight away. You can then scroll down and you can go ahead and go to settings of your WP Forms plugin. Inside of WP Forms, we can use the WP Forms Lite with no license. So with that in mind, we'll go to all forms on the left. And here you can see we haven't created any yet. So let's add a new one. It will then load up this window and we can now build a form. Now, obviously, if it's a Contact Us form, it needs to be very basic anyway. So go to all templates, and if you scroll down, you will see a simple contact form. You can go ahead and use that template. You can also customize these and add in your own fields. You can add things like numbers. Do you want multiple choice? You can add quite a lot of stuff here and you can get quite complicated, but I would just leave it on the bare bones default for a simple contact form. Once you've customized it, click save in the top right hand corner. And then you can go ahead and exit out of this editor. And here you'll see your contact form. So now what you'll notice is there'll be a shortcode. Now we can go ahead and copy this shortcode and we need to place it on our website. So go ahead and copy this whole shortcode here. And then go ahead and create a new Contact Us page because you probably don't have one already. So go to pages, go all pages, and then you can go ahead and click add new page. Here I'm going to add a title, call it Contact Us. We're actually going to get a notification saying it looks like you're working from a contact page. And all we need to do now is add this form. So we will do that right now. So go ahead and then go to the next section where you can type or insert a block. Then go to this plus icon and where it says search, you want to just search for short code. Click on that and then paste in your short code. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and publish and preview your page. And here you can see you've now got your contact form on. Just make sure when you copy your shortcode that you do copy it with these brackets as well. After you've done that, you will have no problems. Your shortcode will have been added and you can go ahead and then publish your page. Now on my theme, it doesn't automatically add a page to the main header, so I'm going to have to check that and enable it. Now to do that, I'm going to go back to WordPress dashboard. We'll go ahead and go to appearance. We'll go to menus and we'll just make sure we've got no issues. Now it looks like there is some issues and that you'll find this happens all the time with WordPress plugins. I'm just going to go ahead and delete the Contact Us page and we'll just re-add it here, add to menu, then save that menu. Hopefully everything's all good now we've saved it. We need to do a bit of troubleshooting. You can see now the Contact Us page is here and it does work. So that's all you need to do. I hope that quick video demonstrated how to do it and did help you out.